What is a heart-healthy diet? A heart-healthy diet has lots of vegetables, fruits, nuts, beans, and whole grains, and is low in salt. It limits foods that are high in saturated fat, such as meats, cheeses, and fried foods. How can you care for yourself at home? Eat more fruits and vegetables. Eat a variety of vegetables and fruits every day. Dark green, orange, red, or yellow vegetables and fruits are especially good for you. Examples include spinach, carrots, peaches, and berries. Keep carrots, celery, and other veggies handy for snacks. Buy fruit that is in season and store it where you can see it so that you will be tempted to eat it. Eat dishes with a lot of veggies in them, such as stir-fries and soups. Avoid saturated and trans fats. Trans fat is found in many processed foods. Trans fats include hard margarines, shortenings, foods with hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated oils in the ingredient list, such as high-fat baked goods, cakes, donuts, cookies and store-bought muffins. Use olive or canola oil, or other healthy oils like flaxseed, safflower, soybean, sunflower, or walnut oil when you cook. Try cholesterol-lowering spreads, such as bechamel. Bake, broil, grill, or steam foods instead of frying them. Eat fish, skinless poultry, and meat alternatives such as soy products instead of high-fat meats like hot dogs and sausages. Soy products, such as tofu, may be especially good for your heart. Cut off all visible fat when you prepare meat. Choose low-fat or fat-free dairy products. Eat foods high in fiber. Eat a variety of whole grain foods every day. Choose whole grain foods that are higher in fiber and nutrients. Examples include oats, whole grain pasta, and brown rice. Buy whole grain breads and cereals, instead of white bread or pastries. Limit salt and sodium. Limit how much salt and sodium you eat to help lower your blood pressure. Taste food before you salt it. Add only a little salt when you think you need it. With time, your taste buds will adjust to less salt. Choose other ways to flavor your food. Try garlic, onion, herbs, spices, lemon juice, vinegar or salt-free seasonings. Eat fewer snack items, fast foods, and other high-salt, processed foods. Check food labels for the amount of sodium in packaged foods. Choose low-sodium versions of canned goods, such as soups, vegetables, and beans. Limit sugar. Limit drinks and foods with added sugar. These include candy, desserts, and soda pop. It may be hard to change your diet, but even small changes can lower your risk of heart attack and heart disease.